Aloha everyone! I just wanted to show you today how you could trim your hair if you can't go to the salon. This is my haircut right now. I haven't gotten it cut for a while. So it's good to actually trim your hair every 4 to 6 weeks, and CreaClip is great for trimming your hair just to get rid of the split ends, to make your hair healthy and just make those layers last a little longer. So I'm going to show you really quick. I have the CreaClip here, and we have two sizes. I'm going to show you how you can use both of them. I do have the short, not short, but longer layers, and it goes in an angle. So I'm going to show you how you can trim both of them. Because my hair is fine, when you're doing bangs, you may have to go further back when you part. See how mine is almost to there, and you want to part it in a little triangle. See that? It's my parting for my bangs. Okay, and then so if your hair is thick, you don't have to go as far back. So fine hair, I go a little further back in a little triangle like that. And so you're going to clip the hair, gather all the bangs like this, clip on the CreaClip with the level facing outwards because you're going to be twisting it. So I would slide it down and then twist. And when you twist, what it does, it makes the bangs go from short to long. Okay, so I'm going to just trim a little bit, so about that much. So you don't want to cut too much off because you're going to mess up if you just chop a big 4 inches, right? So just a little 1/2 inch every time. And when you're doing your bangs, you want to cut in this little point cut in an angle. I'd say it's about 55 degrees, and you just trim like this, and that gives it that soft textured look. Okay, and that's how I trim my side bangs, and so it just falls really nice into an angle like that. Yeah, it's super easy, and it just goes from short to long because I twisted the CreaClip, and then it has a level, so that's going to help you know when it's balanced. Okay, so that's how I do my bangs. It's very simple. When you order the CreaClip, you get actually the small and the large size. And it's great because the large size helps me do the layers. And so when you're doing layers, you're going to first, if your hair is super curly, I just recommend to flat iron straight and then cut. I think when your hair's, you could either flat iron straight and cut, or if you have curly, you can cut it curly. But if your hair is just a bit wavy, I would just flat iron it and then cut. And if you have curly hair, check out some of my curly hair videos. Large curved CreaClip. And you're going to flip your head over, comb the hair forward, get all the knots and tangles out. You're going to gather it like you're almost going to put it in a ponytail. It's super easy if you flip your head over, letting your hair fall straight down, like completely straight. And you're going to clip it onto the hair like this. Okay? And comb the hair out so you can distribute the hair evenly. Again, easiest way is you push this forward and then close. Okay? Push forward, close. That way the hair falls even. Because sometimes if you do it like this, and you just, that's not going to be balanced, right? That's going to be, all lopsided. So you have to make sure it's balanced. So again, flip your head forward, push it like this, and then lock it in. And then you're going to slide it all the way down. And make sure the level goes in the middle. See, there's a little level inside. Make sure the level goes in the middle. And you're just going to trim a little bit. Probably about 1/2 inch each month. So about like that. So you're just going to go trim the tips. And that's just going to get rid of all those split ends. And I recommend just cutting a little bit at a time. You can always go back and cut more. What I like to do is just trim about 1/2 inch, see if I like it. And then if I want it a little shorter, I'll go do the exact same technique. But this is all you really need to get rid of the split ends. You see how that created some nice layers for me? Okay. Let me just part my hair there. And what's nice about cutting it center is that it allows you to part it on the side, in the middle, either side. It's still balanced. Okay, so just comb it out like this. Let me show you what it looks like. So it creates a long, long layers. See that? It just creates long, gradual layers on both sides. It's easier for me to just show it like this. See? Long layers. Okay, and then the back also creates a long V shape. See? Creates a V shape. It creates a lot of movement. I love it because when I curl it, it just creates a lot of body and it keeps it long, but yet I have some long face trimming layers. Okay, hope you like this video. I'm gonna post a few more videos of how you can create shorter layers and straight across cuts, but you can use the CreaClip to trim your hair, even if you have short hair and long hair. Let me show you a few haircuts. So if you have short hair like this, you can also use the CreaClip to trim, just like that, and trim. So check out some of my other videos for short hair. And then you can also do medium length layered haircuts. You can also use the CreaClip to trim this haircut too. This is also a layered technique. And you can also do straight across bob. Okay, I just posted a blog about how to do this beautiful blunt haircut. And of course, you can also trim any kind of layers, shoulder length layers. Even if you have really thick hair, but you can also use the CreaClip to trim. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session of CreaClip, how you can trim your hair if you can't go to the salon. Thank you for watching. And when you purchase the CreaClip, make sure you purchase the original. It has to say CreaClip on it. There's some knockoffs out there, and it's really bad quality. And I don't want you to get something that is going to break on you. And plus, when you purchase the original, you're going to get free access to my VIP Facebook group where you and I can connect, and I'll give you pointers on how you can create that beautiful haircut that you want. I do live demos. I also help you with the latest haircuts and techniques. So that's free when you purchase the original CreaClip. And plus you're also supporting me, the inventor, and that allows me to create more products to empower you at home. Thank you again. That's creaproducts.com. Thank you for watching.